When unloading vehicles, you must consider the potential risks involved. The movement of vehicles is always a risk, but slingers working on the back of a delivery vehicle are also at risk from a fall from height. All deliveries must be assessed to ensure that they are safe to unload. The load must be stacked so that the slingers and operatives can gain access without having to climb over it. Site teams must plan and include unloading areas in their site logistics plans. Wherever space allows, a gantry should be erected to allow operatives to work back to a safe point. Vehicles must be guided into position by trained and competent traffic marshals, and priority must always be given to the segregation of operatives and moving vehicles. A simple hierarchy of controls can be applied to the loading and unloading of delivery vehicles. Wherever possible, unloading should be organised to avoid the need for people to get onto the vehicle, putting themselves in a work at height situation. This can be achieved by the pre-slinging of loads. When using pre-slung loads, there must be a management and control regime for the strops used. These must be recovered immediately after use, or, in the case of one-use strops, destroyed and removed from the site. The pre-slinging of high loads allows operatives to access the slings from ground level, removing the need to access the vehicle. All vehicles entering AJM projects must be complete with a double handrail system edge protection. Before accessing the bed of the vehicle, there are some simple checks to carry out to ensure that it is safe to do so. Check the edge protection. Ensure it is at the correct height, correctly tensioned in the case of straps, and in good order. Ensure that stepped access is installed to the rear of the vehicle. This is to be via vehicle access type podium steps, which include an access gate and fold-out edge protection wings to provide additional protection to the rear. These must be in good order, positioned on firm, stable ground, and have an inspection tag completed within the last 7 days. Ensure that the load is not stacked so that there is a need to stand above the edge protection. Standing on a load effectively reduces the height of the edge protection, creating a risk of falling. In instances where edge protection is not present, for example an abnormal load, or where it is not possible to remain standing on the bed of the vehicle throughout the unloading operation, then additional control measures must be considered. An ALSA purchase system can be used to provide a fall arrest system whilst the slinger conducts the unload. This provides an above-head anchorage throughout the operation. Operatives must be work at height trained to use this equipment.